Oxidizing and reducing agents. So oxidizing agent is basically a substance that oxidizes another substance, in so doing becoming itself reduced. And a reducing agent is a substance that reduces another substance, in so doing becoming itself oxidized. So the example for oxidizing agent is potassium magnate. Now, potassium magnate is an oxidizing agent which is often used to test for the presence of reducing agents. And then we have potassium iodide. Now, potassium iodide is a reducing agent which is often used to test for the presence of oxidizing agents. Now, when potassium iodide is added to an acidified solution of an oxidizing agent such as aqueous chlorine or hydrogen peroxide, the solution turns to a brown color due to the formation of iodides. And when potassium magnate is added to a reducing agent, its color changes from pink purple to colorless. As you can see over here, the color is pink purple and then it changes to a colorless color.